Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into how easily find your Revolut account number and sort code. If you are a UK customer, you all want to know this for things like receiving payments or setting up direct debits. Let's get right into it. First, open your Revolut app and head to the home tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you are there, scroll down a bit. You will see the accounts option. Go ahead and tap that. Next, choose the currency account you would like to receive money in, like GBP or UK transfer. Tap on that and you will see an option for details. Here you will have two options, local for domestic transfer or SWIFT for international one. If you are in UK, choose local to find your UK specific account details. And that's it. You will see both your sort code and account number on this screen, ready for use. You can also find your SWIFT details if you are receiving money internationally. Pretty simple, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.